Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Colin and today I'm going to show you how to use GroupMe. GroupMe is a free messaging app. It's a simple way to stay in touch with friends and family. Even your friends without smartphones can join. You can add anyone from your address book and getting started is really easy. So here's what we're gonna do. Okay, so we start at the main screen. If I tap my initials in the bottom right, that will take me to my profile and we can begin exploring the options we have there. Let's start with contacts. That's the most obvious one. It's where you can find your friends who already have GroupMe and invite some new ones. Next, we've got the archive. If you have chats that are archived right here, you will see it. And for any of the chats that you've left for one reason or another, you will see it right here as well. If you want to get back to it later, you still can. Next, the help center. If you have any issues, you can contact here, which is great because some of these apps these days, they don't allow you to directly contact the app. GroupMe does. Right, let's go back. This is the chat. Once you've got a contact, like my friend Kirsten here, you can start messaging, adding pictures. It's a normal social app, but it does a whole lot more. If I click on this blue bubble, you'll see I can create a group, I can start an announcement group, or indeed a direct message. But there's more. You'll see in this Discover section here, there are groups that you can join right away. At the bottom, it will show you any groups in your nearby area, which for me is Falkirk, beautiful Falkirk. You can check it for your area. Now at the very top, there's a campus section, which means you can join your school community if it's enrolled in GroupMe. It's an amazing feature for students or teachers to join a group from the school just by adding your email address. If you're not a student, then, as I say, there are plenty of groups you can join or perhaps start. Maybe a supporters group for a local football team, a fan club for Taylor Swift, the options are endless. Here, it sometimes might say there is no group currently near your location, so you can see that right here, start a group for yourself. Lastly, if I tap this QR code at the top, you can share your own profile. It's a really useful way of getting friends and family using this fantastic app as well. So, that's pretty much it. A simple yet really great app. It's like WhatsApp, but without stories or being owned by Mark Zuckerberg, which is always a plus. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching and I'll see you soon.